Greg Foster. I'm the CEO and co-founder of BrightWhistle. We are a first-in-class digital patient acquisition solutions provider to the healthcare industry. So if you're familiar with healthcare and its myriad of problems, you'll be familiar with these next three, the ones that we address mainly. First and foremost, contribution margins in most hospitals and physician practices are continuing to decline as reimbursement rates decline. In addition, consumers are becoming much more empowered. 30 million consumers do searches for doctors every single month. The typical relationship between primary care referrals and specialties is going away as consumers take their own power to use the internet, search, and social media to make decisions about healthcare. And in addition, hospitals and large physician practices are investing tremendous amounts of capital in new capacity. They're building stadiums, but they can't fill the seats. So all of these things create one major problem for the chief marketing officer in a hospital or in a physician practice, and we solve that problem. The problem, really big problem, being how do I get new profitable patients into my practice, into my hospital that'll sustain my practice or hospital for the long term. BrightWhistle delivers a four-pronged approach to solving this problem. So if you start in the upper left-hand corner, the first thing we do is we manage the information regarding physicians and service lines and information in a hospital across a myriad of directories, making it possible for consumers and prospective patients to find the right doctor that they're looking for, and putting at the top of search the types of patient or the types of doctors and clients we serve. Over to the right, in addition to that, we have a patent-pending proprietary solution that we deliver through a PAD application that allows physicians to get reviews from patients while they're still in the office, so they can place a review on a Google Place page, a Facebook page, etc. Again, driving vibrancy for the doctors for the hospital. Down to the right, we are one of only about 20 companies in the entire world with full access to the Facebook Ads API, and we're the only company in that list that's HIPAA compliant and focused exclusively in healthcare. This allows us to take a demographic profile that's associated with a profitable procedure and connect it to a Facebook profile to target prospective patients in search and social media. And finally, we have an inbound patient management system that allows us to take phone calls from patients, prospective patients, and deliver warm leads directly into the hospital or the physician practice. Very proud to be here, very proud of our Top 10 award, and thank you so much for your time.
Good morning. My name is Mike Scarborough. I'm CEO of NexTraq. NexTraq is the technology leader in fleet tracking. Our solution is a complex integration of multiple technologies, an in-vehicle hardware device, wireless communications, and a mobile web and integration platform. Our customers are moving from simply tracking vehicles to improving workflow and delivering business intelligence. Some examples of the things we're adding: job ticketing, route optimization, job scheduling, and dispatching. We're taking those transactional workflows and mapping them to key performance indicators, and then having those key performance indicators drive business decisions with a display like you see on the upper right. Given the number of technologies we work with, innovation comes in many forms. Our goal is to reduce the amount of technology that our guys have to work with, our customers have to work with, make it transparent to them. Things that we do, we've developed low-power devices with multiple power modes so that they can use these devices in systems that don't always have access to power. We've developed least-cost routing and communication protocols to use whenever there's whatever signal is around. We've done mashups of dynamic customer-driven GIS data so that our customers can take their GIS data, their map data, and overlay it over the top of our maps. Algorithms to monitor and improve driver behavior. We've added accelerometers to the device itself so that we can see how the drivers are performing in real time. We've done dynamic route optimization, integration with fuel purchase. All of these transactions come into our data center. We process billions of events through our complex events processing engine in real time with 5 nines reliability. Our customers use our platform every day to operate their business. We help them reduce cost and drive performance. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Natalie Chekon with FirstData, and I'm in the Advanced Solutions and Innovation Group, and I'm here today to talk to you about a solution called OfferWise, brought to you by FirstData, because everyone loves a good deal. And if you've ever used deals or coupons, then this is probably the presentation for you. So it's interesting when you look at the market. The couponing and deal space is a $10 billion market, and it's estimated to be at that in 2015. But it's a global phenomenon and craze that has really swept our society when you look at shows like extreme couponing on TLC and just really people kind of running each other down to get into Best Buy for that good deal. So this really is something that has become a society thing. But when you look at it, what we've found is two things. Sometimes the deal doesn't necessarily hit the mark, right? So you may know this if you're a guy who's ever received an offer for the spa. I'm sure you didn't get up this morning thinking, man, I'd really like to have a good facial. And if you did, you probably would not admit it here. And so what we find most times is that for merchants, they're not necessarily targeting the right offer at the right time to the right consumer, and that leaves the consumer feeling overwhelmed with offers, and they also feel like, why don't they know me? They know what I look at, what I'm buying, how I'm behaving. Why can't, based on those behaviors, they target towards me what I'm interested in? And that is why FirstData created the OfferWise solution. What it does is it allows the merchant to target the right offer to the right customer at the right time using many different behavioral patterns, as well as it creates a simple and smooth process at the point of sale. So imagine taking all your coupons, Groupons, loyalty, rewards, offers, and deals, and putting them all in one place, your credit card. And that's how this essentially works. So I'll kind of walk you through and explain how we do that. You start out by registering your card, either on your mobile phone or on the web, to offers that you're actually interested in. And then when you go into the merchant location and you swipe your card at the point of sale, in real time, we're able to remove the offer amount from the total amount of the sale, and on your receipt, you'll see your new discounted total. So essentially what you're doing is you're going from offer explosion with all your coupons, Groupons, and deals to simplifying everything in the cloud, and it's automatically linked to your card. So the card now becomes the new app platform. The other neat thing is, if you're that guy taking that girl out to dinner, now she doesn't have to know that your meal was 50% off. It's beautiful. So FirstData turns every card into an electronic wallet. Thank you.